Hello everyone. Good morning. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal, Adab. I am your instructor Mohit. Welcome all of you. Just, just okay. So let's start the today's session. And the agenda of today is only one, that is Python string. Okay. So let's start with the definition. What is Python string? So a Python string is a sequence, okay, which consists of zero or more characters. So what is the meaning of sequence and what is the meaning of zero or more character? Okay, I told you. Okay, let me start the notebook, Jupyter notebook. So this is my computer screen, and this is your. If I'm seeing this way, means it is the comment box screen. Okay, so don't think like a bubbly sir. I'm looking here, someone else. Okay, so this is my Jupyter book. Let's start the new book. Okay, so by definition, I told you that a Python string is a sequence which consists zero or more character. Okay, let's see. If I'm say, okay, a equal to hello. So whatever inside the code that is string. Okay, if I print it, so I'm getting hello here. Okay, so zero or more characters. These are the more character, and what is zero character? B equal to this one. Okay, if I print B, so I'm not getting anything. You can see here, I'm not getting anything. But if you run on the command shell, you will get something. Okay, let's see this one. Just 1 second. In on the command shell, means Python shell. If you use this one, print A. Okay, in the print A, I'm not getting anything. If I use only A, so that's you can see I'm getting only quotes. Okay, print statement does not print the quotes. So just use A. So I'm getting quotes, means null string. Sometimes we call it as a null string. Okay, so this is a string, means something inside the code considered as string, zero or more character. Okay, so that is a string definition. Let's see the property of string. So the string is an immutable data structure. What is the meaning of immutable? Anybody in chat box can tell me what is a immutable thing? If I'm saying this is immutable, what is the meaning of that? Anybody in chat box? Okay, I'm telling you, immutable means which cannot be changed. Means if you fix a string like this, where is my notebook? Yes, this one. A equal to, consider the string Satyamev Jayate. Okay, this is a string Satyamev Jayate. Consider A equal to Satyamev Jayate. Then it will remain Satyamev Jayate. If I print A, this one, it will remain Satyamev Jayate. I cannot change this one. It's immutable because I cannot change this one. Okay, if I use ID of A and print it, so I'm getting this one. Okay, so this is the address. So consider you say no, no, we can use a equal to b, sorry, a equal to something else. We can assign like a equal to hello and print a. Okay, if I'm using this one, definitely I'm getting hello. Okay, so this is a reassignment. I'm not changing what this address contains. Okay, this address contains Satyam Vijay, which is pointing by the A, but now A is pointing to the different address. You can check the address. If I use this one here as same syntax, now I'm getting the different address. You can see this one. Now let's zoom it. So this one is different address. Okay, so let me show you the diagram. So consider, okay, let's just clear this screen. This is a memory diagram, consider. Okay, A was pointing to something else, Satyamev Jayate. Okay, Satyamev Jayate. This is Satyamev Jayate string. Okay, and at this address, I'm just writing last numbers. When I make it A equal to hello, so this linking, interpreter cut this linking and set a new linking to hello. Okay, this way we can reassign, but the original string at this address remains same. If it is not being referred by any variable, then interpreter automatically delete that. Okay, if it is not being referred by any variable, then interpreter automatically delete that. Okay, so any doubt in immutability? Okay, so let's see the next thing, subscript operator. So in with the sequence we usually use, you have seen somewhere in the codes, subscript operator, double square bracket. Okay, subscript operator is defined as a square bracket and it is used to access the element of a string. Okay, you can access list element, you can access tuple element. So we have not done list and tuple, so I'm not talking about the list and tuple. So just focus on the string. So if you want to access any character of a string, then you can use the subscript operator. So its syntax is very simple. This is a given string and this is an index. Okay, like str1. So any string like str1 equal to India. Okay, I want to access this index. So indexing start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to access this D, so I can use str1, 2. I will get the D. Okay, let's see the pictorial diagram. This is the pictorial diagram. Okay, the Avengers. You can see this string and its index value. Okay, 1, 2, 3, then space. Space is also considered as a string. Okay, Avenger. Okay, so this is the index value. So what is index? Always start from 0. Okay, so in this way we can we can use the index, and index always start from 0 and always in the integer form. Okay, so you can also use a negative indexing. Let me show this example live. Okay. Now consider I am writing a equal to the Avengers. Okay, I want to access the first one, so I can use 0. I'm getting T. Okay, I want to access the fifth one. So this V, okay. And I want to access last one, so I'm using 11. I know its length is 11, that's why. Okay, you can check the length with the length function. So length is a function built in Python. You can get the length of string. So total characters to character are 12. Okay, total characters are 12. So 12 consider if I give 12 here. Sorry. See the error. I am getting an error string index out of range because we have start indexing from 0. So 0 means first character. So 11th means 12th character. 12th means 13th character. Okay, and 13th character does not exist. That's why I'm getting error index out of range. Okay, so please be careful while doing this subscript operator because if you are going out of index, then interpreter can raise this kind of error, string index out of range, right? So let's see the next thing. Okay, you can use also use the negative indexing. Let's see the next thing, negative indexing a equal to -1. Sorry, I'm getting s. Okay, see the screen here. Okay, what I'm doing, I'm taking a snapshot of this one so that you can recognize it. Just one moment. Just one moment. Just one moment. Okay. Okay, just 1 second. I think something. Okay, great. So now I can see your comment. Sorry. Actually, I was seeing the old window. That's why. Okay. Let me see the comments. Okay. So this one. So you can see the index out of range error. Okay. So yeah, we have done this one. Okay. So negative indexing. So let's see this one. Okay. So I cannot set this one simultaneously. Okay, so you can also use the negative indexing. Okay, so I'm giving you one thing. If you want to print first character, if you want to give first character, you can use a equal to 0 t. Okay, I'm getting t here. So first character, the Avenger. Okay, if you want to get the last character, so use -1. This is a kind of trick. Okay, use -1. Okay, last character s, this one. This is the first character. Okay, so this is negative indexing. Last character always is -1. Yes, right. Okay. So let's see the slicing. So this is the indexing. Okay, let's see the slicing. Slicing means select a substring. Okay, selecting the substring. So we have A equal to, let's print what is A, the Avenger, and I want to make a slice of this, the A. Okay, so for slicing part, we use two character like 3 to I need 3 to 9. So I'm getting space and avng. Okay, for slicing thing, we use this one. Okay, start. I'm changing the color. This color is not good. Start and end step. Okay, by default we traverse from left to right. Okay, left to right. By default we start from left to right. Okay, so let's see. I'm giving here a equal to 4 to 9. This is one more example. Okay, now I'm giving 2 here. Okay, so 2 means two steps. Take two steps. Okay, so here I'm setting 1 and here I'm setting 11. So see two steps. The Avenger. This is a string. So from 1. So this is 0, 1. Okay, 1 to space, then V because 2 to character because 2 is there. Difference 2 to and then N, then E. Okay, E up to 11. Okay, last one is not included here. Okay, because up to 11. Okay, less than 11. That is 10th. Okay, so in slicing, if you give range out of index, consider I am giving 20 here. There's no issue here. Indexing, in the indexing, we were getting the error, index out of range. But in the slicing, you can put any range. Okay, so here if I specify 0, you can see I'm getting T, then E, then V. Sorry, then space is there. So T E A E G R. Yeah, by default step size is +1, right? 1. Okay, so I'm giving you one trick here. Okay, if you don't know the starting point is always 0. If you do, okay, so if you don't want to specify, leave it blank. If you don't know the last one, leave it blank. Okay, if you don't want to specify step, that's okay. I'm getting the complete string here. Okay, I'm getting the complete string here. So the Avenger. Okay, so I don't know first step, so that's 0. But consider I don't know, and I don't know last index, so leave it blank. Just put 2 colons. Okay, done. Now consider. Let's see the negative indexing. See the diagram. This one, this diagram. I can also use the negative indexing. Okay, for negative indexing, I have to use -11. Consider -12. So from here to here, I need to use this one to this one. Okay, now let's see. A equal to -12 to -1. Okay, so negative indexing also working here. The Avenger. So I am not getting S Avengers. Okay, I am getting only Avenger, not Avengers. You can see this one. Okay, if you leave it blank, consider I want to leave it blank. Now I'm getting everything. Okay, the Avenger. Okay, so one question is, what about this one too? Two means starting from 0, ending the from and go and take two steps. Okay, so this is the negative indexing. Okay, I'm giving you one trick. If by default we traverse left to right, consider you want to traverse right to left. Okay, so what you can do, we can use, okay, let's 0 here, and I'm putting 20 here because okay, I don't know the range, so I'm leave it blank and put -1 here. -1 will tell go right to left. See, I'm getting only t here. Okay, t from 0 to this one. Okay, so don't specify anything here because here I'm specifying 0. That's why this is creating a problem. Okay, why? Because in the Avenger string, this one, I'm saying go this direction. But what is first one? This one. And the only one character to go this one, nothing else. So leave it blank. Whatever the starting, whatever the ending, just leave it blank and put -1 here and print it. Now I'm getting the reverse of a string. Reverse of a string, this is a trick and interview question, friends. This is an interview question. How to print reverse of a string? Okay, reverse of string, I don't know the starting, I don't know the ending, so that's why I put the colon. And in order to traverse right to left, I am using -1. Okay, if you have any doubt, please tell me in the comment box. Okay, and also this time for the rating. So please tell me in the comment box, chat box, sorry. So I'm watching here your comment. Yeah, it's time for the rating also. Okay, so now let's see the string methods. So before jumping to the string methods, I'm giving you another guru mantra. What is, because string is a class. Okay, class. String is a class. You want to know every method of a class because I'm just writing here string methods. This one, this all are the string method. First of all, let me clear one thing. What is a method and what is a function? What is the difference between method and function? So functions are built in, okay, in Python, or we also can generate our own function. But if function is associated with a class, then that become a method. Okay, so I'm giving you one example like length. Length is a function which can tell me the length of a string. So length is a function, right? Length is a function. But if I'm going talking about the string methods, so this is a built-in function. You can use, just put any string here like Intel. This will tell you all the methods of, okay, okay, this became very, okay. So these are all are the methods. Okay, these all are the methods of string class offered by this string class. And we are not going to do all this one. We are going to do most popular. Okay, most popular method, most usable methods. Okay, so here I'm getting vertically fashion, but if you use Python shell, so this is my Python shell. If you use dir, any string, null string you can use. So this dir function will tell you all the method associated with this string class. Okay, so these are what? These are the special methods which are starting from the double underscore and ending the double score. We call it magic method or dunder method. Double underscore in the starting, double underscore in the ending. These are the magic methods. Class and double underscore contains deliter dir doc. So these are the magic method, and we will study this magic method in the class chapter, class and object chapter, not now. Let's focus on these type of methods which are written in the simple way. Okay, these are the methods of a string class, and these method cannot be used with the list, tuple, and other data structure. This is only dedicated for the strings. That's why these are the methods of a string. Okay, so this is the difference between methods and function in Python. Okay, methods are associated with the particular class, and function are general function which can be applied on string, list, and tuple, whatever the data structure. Okay, if they are supporting that. Okay, but these are the methods. Okay, and these are the lot of methods. We will study most of them, not all of them. Okay, which are the most popular. Okay, we one question here: we can create methods or on? Yes, dear, you can create your own methods, but you have to specify your own class. Means you specify your name. Your name is uh Kuntal. Kuntal, if you create a class Kuntal, you can create your own methods. Okay, if you define your class, you can create your method. But if you want to create methods of a string class, that's not possible because it is already defined in Python. But you can do one thing, you can inherit the string class and create your own method. Okay, so that's why you can do, but you cannot change this built-in string because this is already defined in the Python 3. So you can't change this one. Okay, right? How to create class we can see in the class chapter. Okay, that's the advanced thing, but I will tell you, I will let you know little thing about the class. But class is a very big thing that will take 3 4 lectures. Okay, okay. So any doubt in methods and function, please tell me in the chat box. So after that, we will start the methods of string class. Yes. So methods are associated with the class, and function are the general thing. Okay, syntax is different. I will tell you. Object is an instance of class. See, I'm telling you again, methods consider a simple thing. So there is a method called lower method in this string class. Let me show you how to use it. Consider I have a string and all are the uppercase. Okay, all are the uppercase. And I want to print, consider print st, okay, I use str1. I'm getting hello here in the uppercase. I want to make it lower. So str1 dot lower. So you can see I'm using dot here. If I'm using star dot lower, oh sorry, start dot lower means it is a method. Okay, and function, this is length is a function, length is a function. Now I have to pass str1 as an argument here. You can see I'm passing as an argument here I'm just using lower. Okay, I'm using dot here, start dot lower. Here I'm, this is a method, so I'm writing here. So this is the method, and this is the function. You can see here as an argument, here as a object, oh sorry. Okay, one thing I want to explain, with the length I can also use the list. Consider I have a list of 1 2 3 number. I'm also getting 3 here for the list. Means length can apply on the tuple, list, string, and other data structure, but this method lower cannot be applied on the string, oh sorry, cannot be applied on the list. Okay, because this is associated with the list string class. Okay, this is only dedicated for the string. Got it? Now I think you got the what is the difference between method and function. Function are the general here, okay, and we pass object as an argument. But here I am using dot object dot lower. Okay. So any doubt in string and method, so please tell me in the comment box so that I can explain. So I'm looking comment. Okay, your comment. Okay, now clear. That's great. Okay, so before jumping to the method, so let me tell you about myself. So I have yesterday I told you that I was the senior developer in the Sapient global market in Bangalore. One thing I think you don't know about me, I have written 5 books in Pythons. Okay, in Python, I have written 5 books. So this is my first book, Python Penetration Testing Essential. Okay, in PactPub. Okay, PactPub, my first book in 2015. Second book with co-author with these writers. My name here. Okay, and in 2016, and then Learn Python 7 Days like a beginner book and internationally published. Okay, Mohit and Bhaskar Das, I was the lead writer. And then again for the hacker, Python penetration testing essential. So this is for the hacker. Actual penetration testing is a hacking thing, legal hacking thing. Okay, how to use Python in the legal hacking. Okay, by Mohit alone. And in the last, the master book, Python for Developer, 420 pages book in BP publication. BP publication, you know the Yashwant Kanetkar C plus C, let us see book. Okay, it's the same publisher. Okay, Indian publisher this time. Oh yeah, just use your mobile, tell who is Mohit Python. Your mobile will tell everything. Okay, ask your mobile who is Mohit Python. Okay, so let's concentrate. So just search the book name. Just search the book name. Okay, you can write Mohit's book or Mohit Raj book, Mohit Python. Okay, yeah, I'm Mohit Python. Okay, yes, right. How to get book? Just purchase it. Not so sorry, no, not for free. Okay, it's because this is depend upon the publisher. Totally depend upon the publisher. Okay. So I'm getting the royalty. So how can I give you the free? How can I make it free? Okay. Ebook. I don't know. Actually, you have to purchase on Amazon.com, Amazon.in. Okay, there are different website, Flipkart. Okay. Ebooks. Yeah, I'm telling you, ebooks are available on Amazon as well as on the different website, purchasing website. No, nothing is free here. Okay, this is totally a publisher property. Okay, I am the author, I am getting royalty, so this is totally publisher property. Okay, so let's focus on the. I'm glad to finally see you. I have read your book. Which book, Robin? Okay, let's focus on the Python strings. Okay, methods. So we have seen with the help of dir, there are a lot of methods, but I categorize with some. I have categorized them. Okay, so let's see first one, count method. So yesterday I have given you one guru mantra. Okay, if you don't know any syntax, okay, this one. If you don't know the syntax of method, so I told you string count. So use count here. Okay, use help. Okay, now I'm getting this syntax and its output. Okay, its syntax is substring. So don't put the attention on this square brackets. Just think sub, start, end, and output in the integer. Okay, and it's what it return? It return the number of non-overlapping occurrence. Okay, simple meaning. it count the occurrence of a given substring. Consider I am writing my famous quote, uh, str1 equal to uh, what we think we became. What we think we became. So I want to find the occurrence of WE. Okay. So str1 dot count use WE. So it means that how many occurrence, how many time WE appeared in this str1. So you can see WE appeared 2 times. That's why I'm getting 2. So simple, it return the occurrence. Okay. And what is the start and end? By default, uh, they are like start means 0 and means whatever the last length of a string. So you can specify I need WE in from 0 to 15. Now I'm getting 1. 0 to 15. What is the meaning of this one? 0 to 15. Same meaning if we use slicing 0 to 15. It's same meaning. So either you can write this way. So this automatically gets converted to this way. Okay. So this is count. This is a method, count method to find the occurrence of something. Okay. If something not occurred means 0, right? So let's see. Uh, uh, SE. Let's find SE. I'm getting 0 here. Okay, 0 because SE not here. Okay, so this is a count method. Okay, this is an object actually, and this is a method calling the method. Okay, now let's see the next one. Next one is find method. Okay, find method. So find the okay. You can use our one guru mantra str1 dot find. Find built-in str. Okay, s find sub and start and I'll get in the int. Okay, it return the lowest index of string. Okay, lowest index of substring. Or consider I am giving uh, str1 is what is str1? What we think we became. I want to find the index value of index value of we. Okay, so I can use str1 dot find. Please find it index we. I am getting fifth number. So at the fifth place, I'll get the w. So let's see. Let's verify it. Oh, sorry, fifth here, 5 here. At the fifth place, I'm getting W. Okay, so it means that I need what is the index value W is, so it will find the index of first character of substring 5. Okay, one disadvantage of this one, I'll get only the first occurrence, index of first occurrence, not the second one, right? Not the second one. Can we get the count of W? Yes, yes, yes. You can get the count of W and E separately. No issue. Use 2 times and you'll get the count. But one by one, not in the single method. Okay. So now consider I want to find this WE. I know this string contain only 2 WE, but if I want to find right hand side wala WE, okay, this one is the left hand side, but I want to find the right hand side wala. Okay, so I can use str1 r find, the brother of find r find, right hand side finder. 14th. Okay, remember one thing, indexing always start from this side. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this way. But R find the this way, but indexing remains same. Always remember indexing remains same, just finding from this side, but indexing always start from this side. People sometimes think I am starting from 0, 1, 2. No, 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 no. Indexing always start from this side, but this R find start from this side. Okay, so consider this string str1 contain 3we. I am putting 3we str1 str2. One more w. You don't go on the syntax don't go on the quote. Quote is what we think we become, but just for experiment purpose, I have added one more we. Okay, and it and str2 dot r find. I am getting 24. Indexing always start from this way. Now there is no method to find this we because find method can find first वाला, R find the last वाला, but ये जो बीच वाला है, ये बीच वाले को there is no method exist to get this one. So we have to use for loop and kind of stuff, but there is no built-in method to find the middle one. Okay, if we have three we. Okay, so one assignment for you, how to get all the we or how to get all the indexes. So this is the first assignment. Okay, I'm giving you one assignment here. Take a string, any string, you can take any string. Find all occurrence. Okay, occurrence spelling, occurrence of substring in the given string. So you have to make a one function which can use this stir dot find or r find whatever and find the all occurrences. Okay, so this is the assignment. Find all occurrences of substring. I consider a string contain lot of a. So find all the a. Okay, at which number? Okay, so we have completed these two method. Okay, now remove and find. Yes, we have no any method to get the middle v. You have to write something different. You have to add some code also. Okay, there is no built-in. I'm saying there is no built-in to find middle one. You can find by adding some for loop kind of stuff or adding something more to get the all the we. Okay, so that's assignment. Assignment. Okay, I'm telling you again. Assignment 5. Consider you have a substring. What we think think we became, and another line. Consider another line, but one string. We are a Python programmer. So find the all occurrences of we. Find all the occurrences of w. So that is assignment. You can take your own string, whatever, but the because logic remains same, whatever the string you will take, that's totally up to you. Okay. Okay. So I think you got this assignment. Okay. Tell me in the chat box if you have no doubt about the assignment. Yes, yes, occurrence means print the index. Yes, yes, yes. Printing the index value. Okay, find all the occurrences and print the index value. Print the all the indexes. Okay, so let's talk about the another methods. So we have another method like case method. So lower, upper, capitalized title and swap case. So we have four type of cases. Lower we have already seen. Okay, let me show you once again. Consider you have your PAN card number. Okay, you have very lengthy list. Okay, so not list, lengthy string. Okay, like str to equal to. So this is a string. Okay, and somebody say, okay, please fill the your string in the uh, form. Form में भरनी है आपको, but you have saved the string in your notepad plus notepad in the uppercase. One thing, you manually just lower all the characters or immediately run the Python shell, because it you can use it immediately. Okay, like you have command prompt in your hand, just use Python here and put your string and then use lower. So I'm doing here for you str2, because I do the same thing, because sometimes PAN card in the lowercase or uppercase they are saying no, put in the lowercase. I make it lower like this thing. Okay, only the cases. It affect only the cases, not in the special character, because special characters are smaller, smaller or lower. Sorry, lower and upper both are same. Okay, it only works on the cases. So in this way, I can quickly get the our string and put on the form. Okay. One question, method can only use for the string. Okay, methods are associated with the class. If I'm talking about the string class and their method is different. If I if I'm talking about the list class, their method is totally different. Okay, if I'm talking about the dictionary class, their method totally different. Okay, I'm giving Python shell example. Consider I'm using a list here in dir. Just put a list. So these are the totally different method. Okay, and if I talk about the string, just put a string here, any string here. So these are the methods of a string. So totally different method. List method are totally different and string method are totally different. Okay, list method only dedicate for the list and string method only dedicate for the string. Okay. So in this way you can convert upper string to lower. Now it's time for the up. Consider you have a string a equal to hello, and I want to make it upper. Simple, just you put upper. Okay, one thing, students, please focus on what I'm saying. Here, a dot upper is returning hello in capital. Okay, upper is upper. So consider, okay, sorry, a I'm writing in the lowercase, a dot upper. Okay, I'm getting the uppercase. A in the uppercase, but I'm getting the sorry, a in the lowercase, I'm getting the uppercase here. Remember one thing, original remains same. Original a remains same because that's immutable. I told you in the starting, string is immutable. Original remains same. It is just returning a new string. New string. Okay. Original remains same. It's just returning a new string. Or you can do one thing. A equal to a dot upper. If you are using this way, it means that I am reassigning A to its upper form. Okay. Yes, you can use index, find, whatever, but get sorry, index is not a that method. It looks like, okay, index is different. Okay. People are saying index method. I think I forgot. I think index method. Let me show you the index method. Okay. Let me show you the index method actually. Uh, if I don't know the index, consider what I can do here. A dot index and help. So if I use a dot, okay, just set. Yeah, you can use index also. Find index, whatever you think, you can use. Okay. You can use index and whatever. Okay. But one thing always remember, consider if we are giving index like here. Okay, first of all, let me tell you what is A. A is hello. If I am using index Z, I'm getting substring is not found. So this error can occur if string is not there. Okay, so you can do one thing. If so, consider I'm using A equal to uh, input method, enter the substring. Okay, enter the substring if A in okay, sorry, A I'm setting here val. If val in A, because A is our hello, then find the A dot index. Okay, enter the substring. I'm setting hello H. Okay, so A dot, okay, print it. I have not printed. Okay, enter the substring. Uh, so I'm getting at the zero index. Okay, so working. So let's run it again. Uh, K. I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting any error. Okay, because first I'm checking whether value exists or not, key exists or not. If exists, then find the index. Okay, so this is index method. Okay, I'm saying there are a lot of method. Okay, there are a lot of method. So, but we are focusing on the most common thing. Okay, most common. Okay, let me show you the next one. We have done lowercase, uppercase. Lowercase and uppercase, and what are the next one? Capitalize. So very simple. Consider you have one line. Okay, str2. Okay, not str1. What we think we become, that is str1. If we want to make first letter capital, okay, if we want to make first letter capital, so I can use, oh sorry, str1 dot capitalize. Okay, you can see W is capital here. Okay, let me take your doubts. So put your doubts. So I'm seeing your doubts. So what is the difference between index and find? Okay, okay. So got it. Okay, let's check. If you want to find the index, what is difference? So you can simply do one thing, str1 dot find. Okay, you can take the help. Okay, find method does not give you error. Okay, find method does not give you error. Consider uh, and let's see the str1. What we think we became str1 dot find. If I'm giving f, not f, in. Okay, a tenth number. Just okay. In is there. Okay, in is there. Sorry. If I'm using ji, I'm getting -1 here. If you are getting -1, so there is no error. You can see index was creating the error, but find is not giving the error. Means -1 means does not exist. Simple. Index was giving error, but find is not giving any error. Okay. So let's see the index of as help on this one. Help str1 dot index. Okay, raise the value error if it is not found. So error thing is there. That's why I personally use find, not index. Okay, got it? So when question what we need to do to get all the W in the capital. So I'm taking your doubt and I will tell you later. Okay, I'm taking your doubt, but tell you later because this is not time. Okay, proper noun, not only the first letter. Okay, I'm not talking about the list. List can be sliced. So we will see in the list chapter. Yes, list can be sliced, but don't here because we will see in the list chapter. Okay. String is immutable means cannot be changed in the memory. So we don't have method. So when I say immutability, it means that in the Python, we don't have method to change the string. We don't have method. If you do some hacking, cracking tricks, reverse engineering, you can do that. But Python, we don't in the Python, we don't have method to change the string. Okay. Does Python know English grammar? No, that's a part of NLTK, natural language processing. So English grammar is not a part of Python. Okay. Okay, so it's time for the rating and doubt. Okay, give rating and doubt. If there is no doubt, please write no doubt and rating for 5 out of, please tell me. Your book PPT. Okay, so there is no book PPT. So you have to purchase the book. Okay. How can we capitalize the camel case? Don't worry, don't worry. I'm coming to that point. Give your book free to your student. Actually, I cannot, I don't have, I'm telling you, I don't have now write on my book because a lot of people are associated with the book like proofreaders, editors, a lot technical editors. I'm just only the author. Yes, I'm a creator, but team are so everybody gets some payment from that book. If book are selling, so they are getting the salary due to book. Okay, so if I'm giving you free, I'm cutting their salaries. Okay, can we hack your book? Actually, before Python developer, I was the hacker. I have done CES certified ethical hacker and EC Council certified security analyst. Okay, I was a hacker in 2013, 12, and 14. After that, I became the developer. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Let's proceed to the. Thank you for your rating. Okay. Title case. Title means a camel case. Okay. So string is str1 is this one. If I use camel case, title. So use title. Title means camel case. So you can see after spaces, I'm getting every character upper character. Okay, in the uppercase. You can see W is upper and W, T, V, and B are in the capital. Okay. Now next one is swap case. Swap case means lower to upper, upper to lower. Okay. So let's take a different string. Okay, this one is okay. str no str3. Okay. H capital and double L capital. Okay, you can see I just swapped the case. Okay, simple, very simple method. Okay. Who is the best hacker developer? Both. If you are master of your field, you are better. You are better. Okay. Okay, so swap case done. Let's see the next one. Now strip method. Strip. Strip means removing something at the end, either left hand, right hand, or both the end. Consider I'm giving you one example. I'm getting a string from devices, sometimes this Cisco devices, Juniper devices. They are giving some kind of string, uh, Intel, but some. Okay, just one moment. Okay, string with some character, some unwanted character in the end, both end, and I want to get rid of all the characters. Okay, I want my this one. Okay, lowercase or uppercase, but I want to remove this one, means this hash and dollar. So I can use strip here. str, give your both whatever you want to remove. I'm getting Intel. So strip method by default strip from both the end. Consider you no, I want to remove only from the left hand side. So I told you that original remains same. Okay, so I want to remove from the left hand side, so you can use L strip. Uh, uh, okay, I have not given anything. By default, it takes spaces. If you don't provide anything, it takes spaces. So let's provide the characters. So you can see left hand side. I removed, miss this method removed the unwanted character, that is this hash and dollar from the left hand side. Consider you want to remove from the right hand side, just use R here, right hand side. If you want to remove both the side, use strip only. So these are the three methods. Okay, I'm writing it here so that you can view from your screen completely. uh, R strip, L strip. Okay, see this one. From where can I get the book? Okay, amazon.com, amazon.in. Okay, just open the amazon.in and put that here, and what you want, Python for developers book in amazon.in. You can get the book. Okay. Okay, so we have done the strip method. Okay. Now next one, split method. Split. So strip, we have done strip method. Now it's the split method. So as the name signify that split means तोड़ना, बीच में से तोड़ना. Okay, बीच में से break कर देना. Split. Okay. So let's see the split method. Okay, I'm giving you one example. Consider I have a date here in this form. Uh, 06, 10 and 2020. This is a date. Consider a future date or okay. So this is a month and this is date. So I specify here 16. So you can clarify 16 is a date. I need this last one. I need last one. This one 2020. You can say, oh, very easy. You can use the indexing and count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After 6, everything. I'm going 2020. That's simple. Okay. But consider somebody using date like this. This is date 16, not 6 date. Apply same thing here. Now I'm getting 0, 20. Okay. This is, you have written this is for generalization thing, but somebody giving date like this instead of 0. Consider somebody gives 0, so you are getting 2020, but somebody forgot to add 0 here, right? It's 0, 20. So that's the problem here. Okay, you have to make a generalized expression. Consider you have a 10 dates. For every date, if you are changing your expression, that's not good thing. So you have to make one generalized expression which can be applied on every cases. Okay, every cases, whether this is 16 or 6. So in order to do that, we have to split this one. For the splitting purpose, we use split method. So in the split method, I want to split it, but based upon delimiter. Delimiter is what here? Delimiter is hyphen here. So hyphen. This is a delimiter here. This hyphen. So change the color. Color is not good. This one. Oh no, this not is good color. Okay, here this one is a delimiter. Based upon the delimiter hyphen, I want to split it. So just put uh, hyphen here and I'm getting 6, 12 and 2020. So what is this? This is a list, right? List. So it written a list. Consider you don't know the syntax. Just put help and this one. Complete syntax here. It will let you know. Okay, this separation that is delimiter. Maximum speed I will tell you what is this one, and it return a list of word in the string using sap as delimiter string. Okay, it list. So what I'm getting that I was getting the list. So I was getting the list. Okay, and same thing. If I want to access the last part, so use here -1. We are getting 2020. Okay, same type of indexing we can apply on the list also. We will see in the list chapter. Just for understanding, this part is a list and this is a index means last value of that list. All right. So that's why I'm getting the 2020. If you want to get the first value, so use 0 here and then run this one. So I'm getting 6. That's first value. Second value, use 1 here. I'm getting 12 here. Okay. str ## middle. You want to remove middle thing. Okay, I will tell you later. We can remove middle one also. Okay. If Jupyter is not working, so you can use Python shell. Dear, Python shell or Notepad++. Okay. Yes, 2020. How people are saying how I'm getting 2020. See, this one is a what? So I'm removing this one. After splitting, I am getting the list. Okay, list. Now I want to get the last part of this list, last one, indexing. Okay, so let me tell you the indexing thing. This is 0, this is 1, and this is 2. So you can use 2 here. I am getting 2020. Simple. Okay, any doubt in the split method? Please tell me. Because this is a very important method. Many and most of time we use this split method. I will give you more example so that you can learn. Okay, let's talk about the IP address. I think you know about the IP address. Consider I have a IP address 192.168.10.0. I think you can know the IP address, right? Okay, tell me what is the meaning of if I use 24 here? Please tell me in the chat box what is the meaning of 24 here? If you know the IP address. Subnet mask. That's not submask. Subnet mask. Not port number. Sorry, it's not a port number. Not it is not a socket. It's subnet mask. Okay, subnet mask. Sometime we write like this one. 8 bit, 8 bit, 8 bit. So total became 24 out of 32. So total are 32 bits, but it became, that's why I put 64. Okay. Okay. Consider you want to grab the last one, last wala part. So if I'm doing subnetting, this is a called the net ID and this is the host ID. I want to remove the host ID. So very simple, you can do that ip.split. So please tell me what is the delimiter here in the chat box. What is the delimiter here? What should I put here? Please tell me. I want to split this one. 192 is separate, 168 separate, 10 is separate, 1 is separate. Please tell me the delimiter. Yes, I can see small. Yes, 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 you're right. Dot. Great. Okay, IPs. Okay, this IP is okay, okay, okay. Actually, this one is the wrong thing. I should use this one, this like this way. Uh, IP dot split. IP is defined here. That's working. Okay. Actually, I haven't run this cell. That's why I was getting the error. So now it's okay. Okay, so I have split it. Okay, now I need last wala part, this one. Okay, because I need host ID, host identification. So I'm using here 3, 1. Okay. Yeah, you can use -1. That's great if you are last wala part. Okay. So now consider I need this thing. Okay. Consider I am not taking, if you know this one. See, I am getting this one complete list here, but I need this one separate. Sorry, this one is one part and this all as one part. Means I don't want to put, I don't want to split 3 times. I want to split only one time. Okay, only one dot. Okay, consider only one split. Means this is separate and this one complete a one part. So I need this one 192 comma 168 dot I need this part. So I can specify how many split I need. So I need only the one split this way. Yeah, this is max split. Okay, max split. So one means one split. If you don't specify any split, that is max split, maximum number of split. Okay. If you don't know subnet mask, just forget it. Okay. Just focus on splitting. So how to perform splitting? Just put dot and one. Three here, right? We use three here because consider I'm not using this one. I'm getting what is this? So I need last wala part, this one. People are saying why I'm getting this, why I have used three here. Because this one is zero, this is one, this is two, this is three. I need this one, last wala part. So that's coming at the third index. That's why I use three here. Okay. Okay. So this is the meaning of max split. Okay. If you specify one here, okay, two here, then two splits. First, second, and this one is a complete of one part. Okay. So see this one split and second split. So this part is different, this part is different, and this is complete one part. Because splitting start from this side, na, this side, because splitting start from this side, zero, this side. So that's first split, second split, and I have specified only two splits. So only two splits happen. Okay. Okay. So this is the splitting part. Now let me tell you. Please tell me that. Consider. Where is my pen? This is the IP address, and I need this part as a one and this part as a second. Now please tell me the index in the chat box. So please tell me what will be the syntax for this one. Yeah, yes, Roshan, you are great. That is the R split, right? No negative indexing is here. Not minus one, not minus one. So if you are telling me use minus one, I'm not getting. So minus one means all the split. Still I'm not getting. So minus one is means zero if you specify zero, just one split. If minus one means all the split. Okay, minus one, minus two, whatever, all the splits. So for in order to get this answer, we have to use its brother. इसका भाई use करना पड़ेगा. That's R split. Now splitting start from the right hand side, right split. So put here one and see the effect. So but this is what I want. Or by default, if you are using split and split, or R split, both are same. Difference is that if you set the max split. Okay, both are same in working. But difference is splitting. If I specify one split, consider here I specify one split, do the one split. Here I also specify one split. So if I run it and if I run it, see the difference. See the difference. You can see clearly a difference. Splitting start from left hand side and splitting start from right hand side. Yeah, you can use partition too. If you want to get dot, you want to retain the dots, so you can use partition. But maximum time we use split, not the partitions. Okay. Okay. So now it's time for the rating and your doubt. Please tell me rating as well as your doubt. Okay. 6 out of 5. Question is how to use Notepad++ and Shell. So dear, install the Notepad++. Okay, write your code, save as .py, and go there. Like this is a code. Okay, and just go here and use Python and someone. Done. Okay, done. Okay, in this way you can use Notepad and Python. Not Shell, Python only. Okay. I told you what is the difference between find and next. Find method does not produce any error if string is not there. If substring is not there in the str in the string, but index can cause the error. Okay. There is no else split. They are split and split. Okay. Split means else split. Okay. Whatever. What is your attention to say the else split? Okay. What device you are writing? So I am using Wacom touchpad. So this one I am using Wacom touchpad. Okay. Okay. So let's see the next thing. Split is done. Justify method. Justify. Sometimes some strings we need to make sometimes we are getting 10 character long string, 20 character long string, but we have to make adjust that one. Justify the length. Okay. So we have R just, L just, and center and Z fill. These are the justify methods. All are the justify methods. Let's see. Uh, First of all, I'm telling you the syntax, and then I'll give you one example. Give good example where you can use the justify methods. Okay. So what is consider I have a small string str4 equal to Intel. This is a string str4 equal to string. I want to make 10 character long, but it is a 5. I know it's 5 length. If you check the length, str4 5 length is 5, but I want to make it 10 character long. So you can use just method str4.l just. Okay, one thing you if I forget, split method, if you don't specify in the split method any delimiter, by default it take it as space as delimiter. Okay, it by default it takes space as a delimiter. If you don't specify any delimiter, it takes space. Okay, got it? Okay, L just. So let's see the L just. So okay, consider I don't know the syntax because I know from but where to where. Consider here 10 and what is the filling character? That is the this one. Okay, let's see the answer. So I make it 10 character long. Whatever the length of this one, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whatever the length. Based upon that, I can make it 10. Okay, if 11th character, consider str1 Python program str5 dot l just 10 dots. Specify any character. Okay, specify only single character, not double character. Not you can use hash and something. Only single character. Otherwise, this will raise a error. Okay. Now I can see it is already more than 10 character long, so no need to add this at the rate. Okay, got it. Consider here if I don't specify any delimiter, sorry, any filling character, filler, it's a filler, okay, and no, not any filler, then it adds spaces by default. Then it adds spaces. Similarly, you can use rjust. Okay, specify from this side. Okay, ljust, rjust. Or if you want to put at the both ends, means 3 here, 2 here, or 3, 3 here. Okay, so you can use you can use center. So let me check. Sometime I use center RE, sometime. Okay, so 2 here, 3 here. Okay, so because this is odd even problem, that's why 2 here, 3 here. Center. Okay, now I'm giving you one example of adjust. Consider I have some name. Okay, so let's take a list. I'm just taking the list of name. Name is uh, Mohit. Not Mohit. I'm taking the another name Sahil. Ankur, Bhaskar, Narayan Das. Bhaskar and Das. And I want to print their age and marks. Okay, for the name purpose for each in list 1, consider their name are different but age and marks are same. So what is age and marks? Let's define age is 30, all are 30 and marks consider the same 90. Okay, let's run this one. Okay, and I print one header also. Print. Yes, I can use your name. Yes, you're right, Amit. I'm using Amit here. Okay, marks, age, name, age, and marks. Now let's run this one. So you can see Sahil and Amit that's are okay in the one line. Age are okay and marks just little bit difference. But Bhaskar and Das is taking all the header line. So we need to do something. So find what is the maximum length of this Bhaskar and Das. So consider I want to find the what is the maximum length of this Bhaskar and Das. So you can use the length 19. So 19. So what I can do that. So what is the maximum length? So I can use L just here. L just 19 with the name. Okay, name then I'll just and each dot L just. Okay, sorry. L just 19. Okay, sorry, here I need to fill 19. Okay, you can see we are just approaching a good thing. Age. Okay, in the age I have given one this one. Let's remove this one and then okay, perfectly. But just little bit about the marks, but it's I think it's perfect. Okay, because I have added space because I haven't specified anything. That's why it takes space as by default filler. Yeah, I use it for look and feel, for cosmetic, for beautification. That's why it's string. Okay, sometime people need this one. Okay, to look beautiful, output should be beautiful. Okay, last one. Last one is Z fill. As the name specifies Z, Z, whatever you call Z, Z. Okay, Z fill or Z fill, it means that zero fill. Zero fill. Consider I have a account number. Oh, sorry. Okay, just a example, and we want to make it 10 character long. 10 character. So you can use R just ACC R just 10 and fill the zeros. So I have filled zero in the starting because zero in the starting does not make any difference, but for the consistency purpose, I make it 10 character long. Okay, so I can use R just. So, but we have a special case Z fill, which is a special case for R just. Use just Z fill and put 10 because it automatically fills zero. Okay, the same thing. You can use R just with zero, or you can directly use Z fill. That is special case of R just, means subset of R just. Okay. Sir, share the PPT. Okay, definitely. I will share the PPT. No, don't worry. Okay. So one more thing, consider you have a binary number. Okay, binary number 16. I want to convert binary number, so we have built-in function. So this is not a method, this is a function. Okay, 16. So this binary number, I have this one. But I think you have learned in the electronics, we convert the number into 16-bit array, 16-bit digit, 8-bit digit, 32-bit digit. Okay, because 16, and if I use 8 here, I'm getting this one. So first I need to get rid of this 0b. What is 0b? This just signify there's a binary number, but I don't need this. So you can use after 2. Okay, I need this one. So this is the binary number of 16, right? And I want to make it 16 character, 16 bit. So without any doubt, use dot z fill 16. Done. Okay, in this way you can make it 16 character, 16 bit long. Okay. See this syntax, little bit complex. First binary return a string. So I first get slice. I want to get rid of first this one 0b. That's why I use 2 here. And on that string, slicing string, I am applying the Z fill. Okay. All PPT. Definitely I will share all the PPTs. Means I'll share all the PPTs. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Center. I have already told you. Center means some even and like I want to fill some filler here, some filler here. I want to make it center. Okay, if you have Word file, so in the Word there is a justify method. Okay, justify कैसे आपको justify करना है, बीच में लाना है, center में लाना, right में लाना है. So that's same here, justify. Okay, so this is Z fill, use of Z fill. Okay, now replace and join. Replace and join. Someone asked one question that consider I have a string uh, Intel and this star. this hash are also inside it, also in the here. So how to remove? So at the end, first and starting, okay, means left and right, we can use the strip methods, strip strip method. But if I want to remove in the middle, so I can use replace method, str5 replace. Okay, if you don't know syntax of replace, very simple, use the guru mantra help. Okay, but I know the syntax. Yes, I know. Okay, so hash, remove hash with spaces, done. Now I'm getting this way because spaces, because hash gets replaced with the spaces. I don't need spaces, just null string here. I'm getting intel. That's great. Okay, so consider I want to remove only 4 hashes. So I can specify how many replacement I want for. So this way I can do that. But I want all the replacement, just leave it blank. Done. Okay. Okay, so that is a replace. Now it's time for a join method. Join. So join is opposite of split method. As the name specifies, split means बीच में से तोड़ना, join means जोड़ना, right? Split का मतलब था तोड़ना और meaning of join is जोड़ना वापिस. Okay, so let's see the syntax of join. Any string you can take and join. Okay, see this one. I need a iterable here. Means you can use list, you can give tuple, you can give list. Okay, join. And this is syntax you can use. Okay, if you use dot here, it means that A, B, join, and then dot delimiter, producing it as delimiter. Okay, now first I am giving the example of split. Split. Again, I'm giving you the example of split, like date. This is again I'm explaining the split. 12 uh, month is 07 and then 2020. So I am getting this list, but if I want to join it again, consider I have a list, this one L. Okay, so I am putting here a variable here, list one. So let's see what is the list. So I have this list. Okay, I want to make new date. Okay, so join method. Let's see the syntax of join method. Join. So I need to specify the split delimiter dot join and put that list, this complete list, mean that list one here and done. So I'm getting the result. So if you want to replace, so consider I want forward slash. I'm getting this way, this one. So this is join method, opposite of join. If I have a different character in the string, how can I replace it? Okay, so you have to use multiple time, not single time. So you have to use multiple time replace for each character. Okay, or you can see the regular expression. If you know the regular expression, you can use the regular expression things. Okay. Any doubt in join? Please tell me. This doubt about the join. Please tell me. If I want to remove middle, what do you want to remove in the middle? Means in which context you are saying? So if you have no doubt, please write no doubt. Okay, people are asking again and again one question that consider I want to remove the middle only. Okay, if you want to remove only middle or as well as in the middle, please tell me, Anshika Bhardwaj. Only in the middle or all the as well as start in the end? Okay, so this is join method. Okay, okay. So you are saying that if I have, let me share. Okay, this one, str5. Okay, this one. Consider you want to remove in the middle. For that, see, for that you have to take the substring. You have to give the slicing from this to this. Okay, then you can remove this one. Okay, so there's a method such because replacing start from this side, this side, this side, then it will cover this one. Okay, so there is no nothing we can remove in the both. So we have to do something like different syntaxes with that. Let me see. No, we don't have any method, so we have to we make something different. Okay. Uh, if I want to remove in the middle only, okay, I can do that with the help of regular expression, not with the in the string. Okay, with the help of regular expression, I can do that, but not with the string. Okay, because string we have a split method, we can remove this one. Okay, so you can do one thing. If I remove that thing, no, that will not work. We have to think. Okay, I'll post on the chat box. Sorry, comment box after the complete of a session. Okay. Okay, now let's see the next one. Join we have done. There is a method called start with and ends with. Start with and ends with. So I have not written here, but they are the methods. Start with means consider I have a list of files. I have a.txt, b.txt, c.pdf, and a.pdf. I want to get all the files which start with A. Okay, so for first of all, let's use the list, print all the files first, so that you can learn about the for loop again. So I'm getting all the files, but I need only the file which will start with the A. Okay, so start with and ends with two are method which work for starting and ending that return a Boolean value, true or false. So if I set if each starts with A and then print the file. Now I'm getting only the a.txt and PDF file. Okay, because these are the Boolean value. These are the Boolean. Sorry, sorry for interruption. Sorry. Yeah, I know buffering. Somebody called me. I think that's okay. I think that's okay. I think that's okay. That's done. Not buffering. Yeah, actually somebody called me. That's why due to call the Vodafone connection does get disconnected that time. So now it's okay. Now all right. So let's see. Uh, Start with. Okay. Consider I have a string hello, and I am saying whether this starts with H or not. So I'm getting true. Means it's a Boolean value, true and false. So if it is true, then I'm getting the value. So consider same thing ends with. So consider I want all the text files ends with. Okay, I'm getting in the text files. So in this way you can get the text files. Okay. Okay, I have here hear the ring sound of killer in movie. That's not the song of killer movie. That's a different song. Okay. Okay, so in this way you can use start with and ends with. Let's see the another Boolean operations. Boolean so is digit, is alpha, is num, is lower, is upper. So these are all are the Boolean which return the value in the true and false. There are more. I'm not saying these are all. There are more methods which return the value which returns the value in the true and false form. Is digit means let I'm giving you two or three examples. So because this is very simple, just check all the value are in the lowercase or not. Is digit. Okay, consider you have a string with only digit. Okay, and you want to find is digit or not. Yes, true, it is digit, but consider if I use a here, no, it is not a digit. Okay, it is not a digit, it is a false because all the characters should be in the numeric form. Okay, so that is digit. Okay, so you can use is digit very easily. Consider not here. Consider you are saying okay a equal to input method, enter the value. So before converting that to integer or eval, just check whether it contain all the digit or not. If a is digit, if that is true, then convert a into eval a. Okay, and type of a. Enter the value. If I consider if I give 90, now I'm getting 90. Consider if I run it again, if I'm getting 90 a, I have not converted it. Okay, I just as it is 19 a because if that is digit, then convert. Otherwise, print as it is. Okay, so this is the is digit. Okay, similarly, you can use is num. Is means it can contain numeric as well as alphabets. Sorry, only alphabet. Sorry, is num means this one. Alphabet as well as numeric. So is alpha means only the alphabetic. So I'm explaining 2 1. So this is for you is lower and is upper. So you have to do this. So I'm just explaining is alpha and is num. Uh, Consider a string. I'm directly taking string, not the variable. 1 2. oh sorry, Intel dot is alpha means is means question. I'm asking is all the alphabetics or not? Yes, true. Consider I am using Intel 7 Core i7 type of thing. Then false is alpha false because all character must be in the character form or letter form, not in the numeric form. Okay, consider if I use is al num. Is al means means alpha, num means numeric. Means both are allowed, alphabets as well as numeric. True. But if I insert a special character, then false. So in this way, you can use the Boolean. In the Boolean, we don't use any Boolean always return true and false form. Okay. Eval I have explained in the previous lecture to evaluate the expression. Eval means evaluate the expressions. Whatever inside it, evaluate it. Okay, if you are getting problem with eval, just put int here. Okay, put int here. So see the previous lecture, I have explained beautifully what is eval because now we don't have time. Don't want me just a signal for eval. So let's see. So this is for you is lower and is upper. Do some R&D on this one is lower and is upper. Okay. Now next thing, string functions. So we have already done length. Function means which can be applied on string. Okay, string function. There are some built-in function in Python which can be applied. So length can be applied. So we have seen length and max mean. Let's see the max mean. There are more methods which can be applied. Just telling you the most common. Okay, max. So consider I have a str1 Python programming. What is the max character? Okay, why? So why? Okay, because it depend upon the ASCII value of Python programming. Okay, check ASCII value of everyone. If you want to check the ASCII value of everyone, we have built-in function char and ord. So put y. Okay, sorry, ord small y 121. Okay, 121. So what is ord and char? Actually, in C you have seen in C language you have seen or any language every letter, every character in your keyboard. You can see in your keyboard you have special character, you have numerics, you have colon, quotes, at the rate. These all symbol has one integer value, ASCII value. Okay, so this 121 is a ASCII value. Okay, so if you want to check all the ASCII value, so what is a string? What is a string is there? Okay, sorry, str1. Okay, for each in str1 and find the index of every. Oh, that's error. Okay, so that's ord. Sorry. For each in str1. Okay, so print it. I haven't print it. That's why. Okay, so this is ASCII value of okay everyone. So I don't know which one is this one. So I need to print each also. Just for beautification purpose, I am using this one. So see, what is the maximum value? So based upon ASCII, What is the maximum value? So that is definitely y, because I know. See this one. So P have 122, Y have 121. That's why I was getting the Y. Okay, so in this way you can use max and mean. Okay, based upon SKI value, it return the max and mean. Okay, so consider if I use a small string here, not the hello, not the str1 Python programming. So let's take small one, hello, and run it. I'm getting this 120. Okay, if I use hash, then hash is very less value. So if I check max and mean of hell of this string and mean hash. So in this way you can use max and mean. So any doubt? Single character. Okay, single, not the word, single character. If you want to compare the words, you have to use list. So we will see in the list chapter. Okay, but now only the string means character by character. Okay, and it's time for the doubt as well as rating. Okay, so we have completed today agenda string. That is very important in Python, and in I cannot compare any Marvel character with this string. Okay. Assignment is okay. I have given one assignment, this one, and also and also this was first assignment, and also get this one is lower and is alpha. Find the different cases, like string contains special character, like string contain only alphabets. Okay, this one lower and upper. Run on your computer with different number of strings. This one. So this is assignment for today. Both lower and upper. Okay. So these are the assignments. Assignment 1 and assignment 2. This is assignment 2. Apply this is lower and is upper with different kind of strings and get the answer. Yeah, it's written true or false. Definitely it written true false, but apply the different kind of strings. Sometimes we apply A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4. It written true or false, or maybe error. So check. Okay. First one question. First question for once. Which is the first question, Manoj? Please explain the basics of regular expression. So I have in the Let's Upgrade there is a video of mine, regular expression. Please see that video. Okay, in that video I have explained that's one 40-minute video, and in that video I have explained the regex. Okay, you can see that video. And we will also explain in the advanced course, advanced Python regular expression. Okay. uh Revise last time actually. revising take 10 minutes because I want to complete maximum thing in the minimum time. Okay, that's why that time shortage. Okay, definitely I will share the PPT. Yeah, definitely like the video. Definitely. Buffering is again somebody is calling me. Assignment means this one. Find all the occurrence of substring in the given string. Okay. So consider I have a string what we think we became, and you find the all the value of w, all the index value of we. Okay, all the index value. So first w occurred at this point, second w occurred this point, last will occur at this index value. That's the first assignment. Print index value of we. Okay. Okay. Thank you very very much. Thank you for being with me today.